Hey y'all, so I am back. Hold on, let me zoom out. My bed is not made up. Sorry if y'all can see it back there. But I'm so excited to actually be doing this video because it's a product that I absolutely love and I stand by it and I totally use it, and I actually use it every day, twice a day. But I am here with my products from Pretty Biznez. I don't know if you can hear my son, but he's nutting up right now with his dad. Anyways, so I have my products from Pretty Biznez. I got it shipped to me. I literally had to get it overnighted, y'all, because I couldn't wait to like use my stuff. I was running out and I was like, crap, I really need my products. But yeah, so they sent me a package. They were so sweet. Like, I ended up ordering one thing, but like they sent me like a care package or whatever. So I'm so excited to show you guys my products that I got from them. So let's start with the packaging. Like, it came in like this USPS box or whatever, but as you can see, the owner is here on the card. She's so pretty. And it says, "Dear client, I hope you enjoy your purchase. All of the products are packaged with an obsessive attention to detail. I want you to know I truly appreciate your business. I appreciate your loyalty, and I appreciate most of all that you chose Pretty Biznez for your beauty needs. P.S. We would love to hear your thoughts. Tag us in your pictures on Facebook or Instagram at Pretty Biznez, or email us email us at info@prettybiznez.com. Thank you." And this is a promo sticker. Aww, so cute. So yeah, got this card with all that cute information on it, and then this is like just like a cute little pamphlet on how to use the products and you know, the best ways to get the best results. So it has like kind of like a product you know, spreadsheet or whatever, and like how to, you know, what products would you use with what, and you know, how to, you know, achieve the best results. So this is like what I have here, and I already bought products from them before, so I really don't need this, but I'll, you know, I'll just keep it anyway, just because I may just be overlooking something. But here I have the exfoliating cloth mitten. And I love this just because it's so much dirt and oil and just nasty stuff that gets like trapped in your pores and in your skin, and that ultimately causes whiteheads and blackheads, and you definitely don't want that, just because it like makes your skin all craterish. And like, I'm suffering from like open pores, not open pores, but big pores now, and like typically if I don't like cleansing my face good, I will be reaping the like the worst benefits from it. Well, it wouldn't be benefits, it would be like the bad side of not cleansing your face good. But yeah, like I'll have to like go in and like exfoliate my face really good and just squeeze out all the blackheads, and typically you can't see them, you'll just see like little small black marks, and like once you squeeze them, it's like this nasty oozy stuff that comes out. So I hate when that happens. So typically I try to exfoliate my face 3 times a week so that won't happen. But when my cycle comes on, my acne gets a little wacky, and like my hormones take over my skin, and it's just bad. It hasn't been like that before, but since I had my son, I definitely have been having problems with acne. But this mitten definitely helps out a lot, just because it kind of like brings out the, you know, dirt and grime in your skin, and kind of removes it with the roughness of the actual mitten. And yeah, I use this about 3 times a week, just because you don't want to use it too much and over exfoliate your skin, and it becomes dry and raw and irritated, and you'll have red marks, and like it's just too much. So don't do this too often, but definitely you need to at least have it in your daily or weekly cleansing schedule about 3 times a week. So yeah, this is the mitten right here. My nails are wacky, I'm sorry. But this is a cute little packaging that it came in, and it has like frequently asked questions on the back, and it has like little, you know, tips and stuff like that on the little packaging. It's so cute. But yeah, this is my mitten. Then I have my Pretty Biznez Skin Tool Face and Body Bar, and is this a dual one? I wonder if this the yes, this is a dual one. I love this soap. I use this with my my beauty cream that I showed you guys in my makeup tutorial the other day. I can't remember what day it was, but yeah, I use these two together, and it works magic on hyperpigmentation. Like literally, when I have my skin care regimen like in place, and I'm definitely sticking to it, I see results. And also drink water. And yeah, Like, this is not like the whole cleansing routine that you need to do. This is just a third of it, like just the beauty cream, the soaps, and the exfoliating. So you definitely want to have like a primary skin cleanser that you use to, you know, cleanse your skin in the morning and then at night before you go to bed. And then also just go behind it with the soap and then apply your cream after, and that way you can, you know, achieve the best results. That's what I do. It works for me, so I'm not sure like how it will work for you. But this is my dual soap bar. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, this is what the dual bar looks like, and I love it just because it's like, so it has like a shea butter smell to it, like a natural like smell, you know what I'm saying? It's not too loud, and then it's not too like, you know, subtle. It smells good. I love washing my face with this just because it works, especially with hyperpigmentation. It definitely works for sure. But yeah, this bar definitely works. I live by it. I love this bar, this facial wash, facial soap. Live by it, love that. So I haven't used this before, but I got, oh no, this is my beauty cream. I got a big one. I normally get like the smaller one, but I have a big one right here. I would not have to buy another one for a while. And I got the extra strength, but this is what it looks like. My smaller one, I think I showed you guys before, but yeah, this is the beauty cream that I was talking to you guys about that I typically use with this one, and they work magic on skin. Like, they are Pretty Biznez is the business, period, because they work so good, y'all. Like, I love these so much. I think I showed you guys these beauty creams already. I can't remember if I did. I feel like I did with my 2-ounce bottle, but I definitely live by this just because it gets the job done, honey. Like, hyperpigmentation, all of that stuff goes out the window when I'm using these two products consistently, the soap and the beauty cream. When I'm using these two consistently, my hyperpigmentation is like little to none. But of course, on the box for the beauty cream, it has like frequently asked questions, product details, directions, cautions, all that different type of stuff. Also, it definitely recommends to use a sunscreen with any, you know, product that you use on your face. They definitely say use a sunscreen under it or over it. I can't remember. Do you do it after? I can't remember. I have to ask my esthetician. But you pretty much use a sunscreen just so you won't get sunburned or whatever. Even when it's like wintertime, you still want to use a sunscreen, I was told. I haven't been too big on using my sunscreen, but I definitely need to like get back to doing that, especially since the summer is like right around the corner. And then they also gave me this cute little Luxe bar. I seen this on the website and I was like, oh my god, I have to get this. And they ended up sending it to me, which is so sweet and nice. It's the Pretty Biznez Luxe bar, and I want to say this is like a lightening soap, so it kind of evens out your skin tone. It, you know, kind of rids you of hyperpigmentation also. So I feel like you can use either or. You wouldn't have to use both. So I say like probably the Luxe bar in the morning and then the dual bar at night, or vice versa, whichever you feel. All of their soaps and all their products I've tried have been great thus far, so I definitely would recommend them. And then here's my little cream that I had bought myself. So I got two, which is perfect. So I'm super excited to use my new products that I got in from Pretty Biznez. I give them a thumbs up just off the strength of the products that I already used previously. So I'm super excited to use my maximum strength beauty cream and my Luxe bar, because I just got these two in. But I can definitely tell you that the beauty cream extra strength and the dual bar definitely works. I live by them. I love them. Super excited to show you guys my results, like before and after pictures, and I'll even throw in a video of how I use these, so you can kind of get a feel of like the application and how much to use, and you know, just that typical thing, just because you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way, especially with the beauty cream, and also with the soap. I would definitely say you don't need much of the soap every night. Like literally just probably use your mittens and just kind of rub it through your hands like about 3 times, and then take it to your face, because it lathers up really well, so you don't need a lot. But I'm super excited to use my stuff. I've been needing this for weeks now. My skin has been looking so crazy, So you guys are gonna see, like, once I'm doing like my, you know, makeup videos and like just being fresh face, y'all gonna know it's Pretty Biznez's fault, and they got me around here feeling confident and loving my skin and just, you know what I'm saying, being happy, being fresh face, because everybody doesn't want a face full of makeup all the time. But anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, and I'm about to at least try out some of my products. Yeah, I'm so excited about this transition of skin, honey, because I am over my skin at this point, like over it. So I'm trying to get it back to how it was before. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.